In this video, I want to talk about the importance of creating passive income streams, especially for freelancers like myself who rely on one source of income. As we all know, having a single source of income can be risky and unstable, especially in today's ever-changing economy. Recently, I experienced this firsthand when one of my co-freelancers lost a client, which means he lost his main source of income too. It was a wake-up call for me, and I realized that I needed to find a way to diversify my income and create passive streams while it was not too late. That's why I decided to start my own YouTube channel, focusing on the financial niche. By sharing ideas about it, I hope to not only help others, but also generate a passive income stream for myself. So, if you are also interested in making passive income through YouTube, consider watching until the end and don't forget to like and subscribe so that you will always be connected to the wealthy side of life. Here are the steps I followed to start my channel. Step 1. Research and choose your niche. The first step is to choose a niche that you're passionate about and knowledgeable about. For me, it was finance, but it could be anything from cooking to travel or gaming niche. Step 2. Create a YouTube channel. You can do this by signing up with your Google account and following the steps to set up your channel. You can also watch the tutorial video where I learned to make it. You can check the video link in the description of this video. Step 3. Create content. Now it's time to script your first video. Don't overthink it. The longer you wait, the longer you delay making money, which is the ultimate goal. Open Google Docs and start writing freely. If you've watched a YouTube video before, then you have an idea of what to do. Make sure to create content that provides value to your audience. Step 4. Now that you've written your script, it's time to get some video editing software. There are many free options available, so take your time and find the one that best suits your needs. Once you have your software, you can move on to the next step and start creating your video. If you are a complete beginner like me, you can try to start making your video using InVideo. I used this platform to make this video too. It's a website where you can transform your script into a video in just a few minutes, and from there you can start editing. You can check the website link in the description of this video. Now step 5, create your thumbnails. A thumbnail is a preview image that represents your video and helps attract viewers. It's a crucial part of your video's marketing, so take the time to create an eye-catching and meaningful thumbnail. Experiment with different designs and colors to see what works best. Your thumbnail should be a clear representation of what your video is about and should entice people to click and watch it. You can make your thumbnail by using Canva. I leave the link in the description of this video too. Step 6. Upload your video to YouTube. Now that you have edited your video and created a compelling thumbnail, it's time to share it with the world. Log into your YouTube account and click on the upload button. Select your video file, add a title, description, and tags to help people find your video, then hit the publish button. Your video is now live on YouTube and ready to be discovered by your audience. Finally, the most important part, step 7. Monetize your channel. The time it takes to monetize your channel can vary greatly. Some creators may take a few years, while others may start earning revenue sooner. The key is to consistently create quality content and connect with your audience. Building a strong community and engaging with your viewers will help grow your channel and increase the chances of monetization. Keep in mind that monetization is not the only goal, but rather a result of hard work, dedication, and building a loyal audience. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. See you in the next video.